Well, every time I'm here at Roosevelt Field, the fire alarm goes off. And today, no exception. It's going off again. See, it's flashing. The whole place, the whole mall. It's been going like this for a couple of minutes already. Every time I'm here. You know, for such a fancy mall, they really don't take care of things. And there are a lot of problems here. Like, people just constantly setting off the fire alarm. It shows you the crowd you get here. It's not good. This wouldn't happen at Smith Haven. So it's around 8 o'clock. You'd think it would be busy here. It's not that busy. Oh, it finally stopped. But see, it's not that busy. I bet Smith Haven would be busier. You'd think it would be busier. This is depressing, man. Come here for some life, and there isn't any. Not at night, anyway.